You know that feeling when your tests break again just because someone renamed a button? We've all been there. But what if AI could fix those tests for you automatically, without you touching a single line of code?
Software testing has always been the speed bump of DevOps. Automation helps, but keeping those tests alive, that's where the real pain starts. Things like constant selector changes, UI shifts, flaky failures, and maintenance costs keep growing.
So here's the real question. Can AI actually maintain automated tests independently? Let's unpack what that means and how far the technology has come. When we say AI maintaining tests, we mean autonomy. This includes detecting failures, fixing them, and keeping pipelines running without human intervention. It is a combination of intelligent automation and operation.
Think of it as a self-healing ecosystem beyond automation script, where AI detects when a test fails due to a UI tweak, then it adjusts selectors, reruns the suite, and verifies stability. These happen all before you even open Slack.
Under the hood, AI combines pattern recognition, historical data, and decision models. Then it pinpoints why a test failed, repairs the script, and even files an issue when it can't fix things on its own. To make this work, you need calibration with AI, just like training a new QA engineer. You teach the AI what good tests look like, feed it data, what you need deeper testing, and let it learn your app's rhythm. That's how a well-trained AI tester can reach near full maintenance independency. Let's map out the key stepping stones. Implement locator self-healing to prevent UI changes from breaking tests. Automate root cause analysis to reduce test failure debugging time. Train AI to generate and update automation code to minimize human or manual scripts. And continuous runs across CI and CD to catch regressions fast. Lastly, train your AI to create a ticket for you automatically when it hits a wall.
Now, let's be real. AI still has limits. Big UI redesigns? You'll still need humans. Complex business logic? That's human judgment territory. And sensitive data or compliance workflows? Always needs human eyes.
So no, AI won't replace your QE team, but it will give you back some of the hours you lose chasing flaky tests. It's like hiring a tireless intern that never complains about maintenance duty.
If you're going to lean on AI for test maintenance, set it up for success. Start with stable, well-defined test scenarios. Roll out gradually. Review AI's decisions and code, let it learn from your feedback. And document your workflows clearly so AI can reason better.
In practice, AI can already handle most repetitive maintenance in test automation. That's the 80% of cases that slow us down. QE is still necessary for that tricky and critical 20% where business context or creativity is needed.
As a QE lead, I've seen teams cut test maintenance costs in half by adopting AI-driven frameworks. The trick isn't replacing humans, it's freeing them to focus on higher value quality engineering work. Don't forget, AI is another level of automation that also requires ongoing development and maintenance.
Platforms like Omniit.ai are built exactly for this future. AI-driven test generation, self-healing pipelines, and continuous quality intelligence. It's not hype. It's happening right now in production teams.
So, can AI really maintain tests without you? Almost. But with QE guiding it, it can make test maintenance costs significantly reduced.
Thanks for watching. If you're ready to explore having AI to take on your maintenance backlog, check out Omniit.ai, where quality meets autonomy and reality.